Helping the environment was something Professor Kylie Catchpole always wanted to do.
I really didn't see myself as an environmental activist, though, and I didn't really know what to do with it. So I studied physics. I got to the end of my degree and I thought, well, what shall I do now? It wasn't really clear.
A question that ultimately set her down the path of solar energy research. Today, she's a world expert on all things solar and jointly leads a group here at the Australian National University on advancing perovskite solar cells. While silicon has long been the dominant material used in solar cells, perovskite has emerged more recently as a low-cost alternative with potential to be as efficient as silicon. A potential proven with world records set by Professor Catchpole's team. In 2022, they took perovskite solar cell efficiencies to 22.6%, breaking their previous record of 21.6%.
Perovskite cells now have efficiencies that are similar to silicon solar cells, so just a single perovskite cell, they have efficiencies, the top efficiencies around 25%, whereas the top silicon cells are around 26%.
Professor Catchpole has also led the development of more efficient tandem solar cells. These systems involve stacking a perovskite cell on top of a silicon one, an advancement that could push the solar efficiency ceiling even higher.
The perovskite cell will absorb the blue light really well and give you a higher voltage, and then the red light will actually pass through the perovskite solar cell and be absorbed by the silicon solar cell, and then that will give you additional voltage. So together, that can give you a higher efficiency.
In theory, the efficiency limit of a two-cell tandem system sits as high as 44%. But more efficient and affordable solar power isn't just the end game for Professor Catchpole. She also sees it as a means to help produce another type of renewable energy, green hydrogen.
We'll need hydrogen to produce various materials to refine metals, for example. And if you can produce those using solar energy, then you can reduce the cost of hydrogen.
In another project, her team connected their solar cells with a catalyst to directly generate hydrogen at high efficiency. Efforts that Professor Catchpole hopes will accelerate our path to decarbonisation both globally and here in Australia.
There's an extremely bright future for renewable energy in Australia. There's just so much opportunity. We're really blessed with the amount of renewable energy resources we have, and we should make use of them.
A message she now shares as a new Fellow of the Australian Academy of Science.